Hello everyone, welcome back to another 3 Minutes at 3.
Today we're talking about business tips for success.
So, one of the biggest tips that I can take and give you about to have success in your business is to be passionate. Mm-hmm. You need to be a passionate person about what you're doing. If all you're doing a business for is to make money, the bottom line, you're going to lose interest in that business. It may not be this year, it may not be 2 years from now, but it will definitely be before the end of your lifetime. And you're not really setting up a very good legacy at that point. And you're not setting up a sustainable business, because everything will become a drudgery, because you're only there for the paycheck, right?
Mm-hmm. Right.
Or whatever lifestyle that it may afford you. The other one is to take and be dedicated. Mm-hmm. Be dedicated to what it is that you do.
Yep.
That means showing up every day, doing something towards your business every day. If you don't have the passion, you're not going to be very dedicated. Mm-hmm. So these kind of two just run hand in hand, don't they, Jess?
Yeah, they do. Yeah, the dedication is not only short term, like Roy's mentioning, every day doing something towards your business, but it's also a long-term dedication that, regardless of the length of time it takes for me to grow my business to the juncture where I want it to be, I'm sticking at this and I'm going to continue working at it no matter what comes my way, no matter what obstacles I encounter.
Yeah, and in that dedication, I see it as like a dedication to craft, right? Because I'm a blacksmith, I'm an artist blacksmith. And so, that dedication, I kind of just stay at it. I love it, I'm passionate about it. I'm going to do this until I can't physically anymore do it. And then I'm still going to attend things and events and venues that are about blacksmithing. This is kind of my thing. This is my stick. This is my bag, right, in life. Mm-hmm. And so it's that constant dedication that I have to constantly better myself and to better the products that I offer and the services that I offer for the clients that, that we have and that we are fortunate enough to have. Mm-hmm. And so, again, those are our two biggest tips that I think we can take and give you about running a successful business. Yes, there's all the ins and outs of business. Yes, there's marketing. Yes, there's social media. Yes, there's all these different facets and stuff. Mm-hmm. But if you don't have these two ground foundational elements here in your business, you're not going to make it.
Right.
You're not going to make it. You'll make it for some time. You'll make do, but you're not going to have and feel successful in your business. And that's a really important thing.
Yes.
It's a mindset.
So. Yes, it is.
Yep. So that's it for this 3 Minutes at 3.
Thank you for joining us. And
if you haven't checked it yet, go check out our merch store over at blacksmithpdfs.com, where you can find our merchandise, and you can also find additional business help and services for you. So that's it again for this 3 at 3. God bless you all.
And we'll catch you on the next one.